The best camera for street photography needs to be compact, lightweight, and discreet. So, a bulky camera is the last thing you need. So which camera should you get? Find out in today's video about the 5 best cameras for street photography. The Sony RX100 VII is the perfect point and shoot for street photography. Even professionals admire its fast shooting capabilities and equally capable autofocus. Inside its compact body, you're getting a 1-inch 20.1 megapixel sensor. The 1-inch sensor means you'll get plenty of details in your crisp and vibrant shots. As for the zoom range, it gives you 24mm to 200mm, so it's wide enough for all situations, and you also have the zooming powers when you need it. Besides these, you're getting a 20 fps burst rate, and in short burst mode, you're getting a whopping 90 fps. It's paired with hybrid autofocus to match this impressive burst rate, so you can be fast and the camera will keep up with you. To summarize, the Sony RX100 VII is a very capable point-and-shoot camera with a fast shooting rate and autofocusing powers. Introducing the Nikon Z50, a bang-for-the-buck camera perfect for street photography for its slender build, fantastic autofocus, and more. The Z50 comes in a slender body with an extended grip, so it gets all the points for handling. The camera packs the 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor, and thanks to that, the photos will come out sharp and vibrant every time. It also has a tremendously high ISO performance, giving you the ability to tackle the night easily. As for its autofocus system, it uses face detection and comes with 209 points, which is decent enough to get the job done. The burst rate of 11 fps is good too. To sum it up, the Nikon Z50 is a bang-for-your-buck camera with great features, and it's a gateway to Nikon Z series of cameras. The Olympus OMD EM5 Mark III is an excellent camera from OM Systems, proving again that Micro Four Thirds systems are far from dead. Packed inside this camera is a 20.4 megapixel live MOS sensor, and thanks to the Micro Four Thirds mount, you have an entire library of lenses to pick and choose from, including Olympus, Panasonic, and many other manufacturers' lenses. As for the autofocus system, the EM5 Mark III comes with 121 points of the face detection system. Complementing the AF system, you can shoot 10 to 30 fps bursts with this camera. Lastly, you get 5.5 EV of stabilization to keep your shots shake-free. Overall, the Olympus OMD EM5 Mark III is a great camera for street photography. The weather-sealed body and the great stabilization are great features to have. If there's one camera that every street photographer dreams to own, that would be the Fujifilm X100V, since it doesn't get any better than this. The 26.1 megapixels you're getting from the X100V are more than enough for street photography, since with it, you can easily get sharp images. In addition, it comes with a 23mm prime lens attached to it. That's how they make it so compact, but worry not, the 23mm is wide enough for almost every situation. The camera features a hybrid autofocus system with 117 points, so you won't miss a target and hunting won't be an issue either. On the rear, there's a 3-inch tilting touchscreen, so fixing focus and navigating can be done swiftly. Overall, the Fujifilm X100V is a compact, lightweight, and discreet camera that wins the heart of every street photographer. If you don't mind burning a hole or two in your wallet, then the Leica M10-R is the best and most premium street photography camera you can buy. The M10-R looks stunning. It has a retro vibe, the minimal layout and design are very tasteful. Inside this beauty lives a 40.9 full-frame CMOS sensor. You already know that the clicks from this sensor will be mind-blowing. Leica's color science mixed with the full-frame sensor will create stunning pictures. Since it's a rangefinder camera, it comes with manual control for autofocus, which can be challenging to some. Aside from that, you're getting a fantastic viewfinder and a great 3-inch fixed TFT panel. All in all, the Leica M10-R is made for photography, and it does that perfectly. There are no extra features, especially with this rangefinder model. This allows you to take great shots while training your senses too. So, that was all about the top 5 best cameras for street photography just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.